Did you know that you can make your own purpose cleaner using citric fruit? Yes, it's true, and it can be a game changer for your cleaning routine. Making your own citric multi-purpose cleaner is not only easy and super effective, but it's also eco-friendly and budget-friendly too. Plus it smells great. Now today I'm using lemons and oranges, but grapefruit and limes work too, if that's what you prefer. Now, as well as using your chosen citric fruit, you're also going to need some white vinegar, a glass jar with a secure lid, and a spray bottle. I'll leave the links for all items in the description page below. Now I'm going to start with the peeling of all of my oranges and lemons and fill in both glass jars. Now, one of the things you can do for future reference is whenever you snack on orange or use lemon, keep the peels, store them in the jar in the refrigerator until you have enough to fill your glass jar. Now that I've filled my jar with the peel, I'm now going to pour the white vinegar over the peels onto the jar is full. Now make sure all the peels are submerged in the vinegar to ensure they infuse properly. Then seal the jar with a lid and give them a good shake, and we're going to let it sit for 2 weeks. This will allow the natural oils, peels to infuse into the vinegar, creating that potent cleaning solution. Now that the 2 weeks have passed, we're diving right in with the straining of our citric infused vinegar into a clean container to separate it from the peels. Oh wow, look at that citric vinegar. It looks quite different now, nice and rich with a golden hue. Now this is all from the orange peels, having given up all those natural oils, and it smells amazing too. I promise you, no vinegar smell. So here I have 150 ml of infused vinegar, and I'm gonna add the same amount of water to it. Then placed in a spray bottle. Now these cleaners will last up to a month in a spray bottle and 6 months in the original container if unused. Now with our infused lemon, we are going to use a slightly different process. So as before, we're straining the infused vinegar, but this time I'm not going to add any water. I'm going to leave this one undiluted. Now this one looks like the orange one, but if you look more closely, you can see it has got a hint of lemon colour and certainly has that nice citric lemon scent. As mentioned, I'm going to be leaving this one undiluted, so it's ideal for using in the kitchen on those greasy kitchen appliances like inside the oven, the kitchen exhaust, and even on the small kitchen appliances like descaling the kettle, cleaning the microwave, and so much more. Now with either of these cleaners, you can add a few drops of essential oils. And with the lemon, I'm adding in lavender. Have you ever smelled lemon and lavender together? It smells divine. Now you can also add fresh or dry scented flowers at the start of this project. Even herbs like rosemary can be added. Just have some fun and experiment. Now to pour into the spray bottle. Now things to remember, always spot test in an inconspicuous area first, especially on delicate surfaces. Now avoid using on certain surfaces. Now do not use vinegar on natural stone surfaces, wax surfaces or aluminium, as it can damage them. Safety, use gloves if you have sensitive skin, as the acidity can cause irritation with prolonged contact.